Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 19th of December. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Fortescue, AI Media Technologies, Kaiser Reef, Airtasker and Sigma Healthcare. So if you have a request, please send it through. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter, but our best recommendations come out on Tuesday in the Dynamic Investor Report. So please make sure you're getting that report. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is in portfolio management. So if you'd like to have a broking account with me, then please give me a call. And all the advice here is general only. So we've got the daily chart here of Fortescue. We could see after the bounce in September, so there was a nice bounce there off the lows. It appeared to be easing back in what looked like a bull flag, possible sort of breakout retest, but I think after we'll have a negative day today on the market, so it's going to be back into this range. So the next level to look at here is this November low. If it can retest that and bounce, that would be a positive sign. Otherwise, of course, you'd be looking at somewhere between the September and November low for the next reversal signal. Okay, AIM, if we have a look at the weekly, so it looks like we had a bit of a base here, so a bit of a breakout in the middle of the year from a large base, good volumes. Naturally, it was going to encounter some resistance near these levels here, near $1, so it's just cooling off at the moment. If we have a look at the daily chart, we could see it sort of cooled off a bit of price rejection there, and there's bounce, not really doing too much in a positive way here. So you might just get a bit more sort of short-term weakness. So it looks like it's still got a bit more of consolidation to go before it's ready to head higher again. Okay, with this one, better to look at a weekly. So we've got essentially there was a bit of a downtrend there. It's tried to break that. We could see the sort of spike higher in October on really good volumes. So a push higher, but naturally it hit resistance up at this level and has backed off. But we can see it's still making the higher lows, so that is a positive. Potentially you could say, look, it's a buy here as long as it, tight stop under this low. And then of course, just clearing this level here would be the next positive. Okay, Airtasker. So it looks like a large, possible large base formation here. You've got, along the way, you've got the higher highs and the higher lows, so that's a positive. If we have a look at the daily chart, so this recent rally was on good volume, so that's a positive sign. So it just looks like it's something that you buy the dip as long as it's holding the higher lows. Possible buy in a dip. Okay, and finally Sigma. So been doing well the past few months. Higher highs, higher lows. The moves higher are impulsive, so impulsive move up on volume, cools off on no volume, and then you get another big volume spike and so on. So it's in the middle of a cooling off here. That's the main reference point. So you'd be looking for some kind of reversal, another higher low for a buy. If you're holding it, it could fall all the way back here. So you might just want to look at this low point here as a tight stop potentially. And obviously if it breaks this line, then that's a negative. Okay, well that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through and we'll try to cover it next time for you.